and one of you has a yacht here and would like to take me for a ride around Malta, I would appreciate it. The yacht marina. Where are the bees? Where are the bees? And this shot, guys, I hope it's a wide shot enough. We have some 200 years of history. So impossible is nothing. Hello guys, welcome back to another vlog. This time from a nice, beautiful garden. It's called, as I told you, Maison Gardens, and it is also known as Jnien il-Milorda. Jnien il-Milorda means Her Ladyship's Garden, in memory of Lady Julia Lockwood. They have been restored lately. This is the restored part, as you can see, and these are the old bastions as they were before restoration. Lady Lockwood used to live here, and this was her garden. She used to live here between the years 1842 and 1856, when then the military took over her house and demolished it. You can see a lot of interesting features, guys, here. For example, let me show you. You can see that stairs, there's sort of a flight of stairs there, but it looks like the stairs led to somewhere, no? But who knows the history exactly here? If any one of you guys know more about this garden, kindly leave us your comments. This is a very quiet garden, guys, and behind me you can see the magnificent port of Morsamchet here, with a lot of luxurious yachts nowadays. And at the far end there, Fort Manuel, there, look, and behind it Taslima, with all those never-ending small skyscrapers getting built, growing and growing and growing. This garden has multiple levels, sort of. We're in this level here, there's another level there, and there's a third level over there. We're going down, and from what I'm seeing here as well, there's that Gardjola over there. You see? Up there. Don't go away, stay with us till the end of this vlog, because the scenery from up there is going to be spectacular. Maybe it was a well. I think it's a well, because there is a pump here, fixed. Woo! Yes, it's a well. And there's this shrine. What is it called? Niċċa, Isa Niċċa. Qabel kien hawn xi statwa jew hekk, ma nafx. U kien hemm xi emblema, there was an emblem or coat of arms or something. But I'm trying to find interesting spots for you guys. You can see there are the remains of the rails of a cannon or something. I think this was its pivot here, and this was the trail. I can notice some of these as well here. They are very old, maybe they, and let me show you the view from here, guys. Xena tal-ġenna, all yachts, and one of you has a yacht here and would like to take me for a ride around Malta, I would appreciate it. Thank you very much. Nice. The petrol boat of Malta, P51, P62, Thanks to all the AFM for protecting us. Now we're going down to the lower level. Big as well, eh? It's big. Ah, there's the tunnel. Thanks God, this garden is guarded by some CCTV cameras, I think. So, I really agree with this, no? Well done. Hope they are functioning. It's been restored a bit, I think. But what remains of it, and the crown there, I really like the crown, huh? And what I'm noticing here as well, there's a water duct sort of. It goes down, down, so that water coming down does not flood here, but goes through there. Malta International Contemporary Art Space. CCTV in operation. So, it's here, and those are the cameras. Good. Well done. In front of me, we are seeing a sculpture, and as the plaque says here, on the occasion of the official opening of the Ugo Rondinone sculpture, The Radiant. So this sculpture here is called The Radiant, no? Inaugurated by the Prime Minister, 12th October 2018. Anyone knows more information about this, guys? Kindly let us know. It looks like a head over there, and the body and two legs, but I don't know the exact material. It's a bit shiny, this part at least. Who is in geology or marble or something, kindly let us know. Leave us comments, please. This was it's carved in Maltese stone, sort of, and it is dedicated to the 2nd Battalion of the Essex Regiment. It's very beautiful, eh? Let's have a closer look at it, because I'm curious about it. There is this thing here, a key, as you can see. Montis Insignia Calpe de Pompadourus, the Pompadours 18 something here. You can see stairs. I think this was made from stone inside. Look, and then covered with other pieces. This is plaster here or something, or cement or something, and then covered with small pieces, because as you can see, there are junctions here, look. And on the top, that's nice, eh? We still have to go up in that Gardjola, guys. So here are the remains of a fountain, I think. Maybe this was a fountain. These lions. Hello, lion! How old are you, lion? How old is he? I don't know. There are 3 of them. They have been here. Oh, this one, his head is off. Miskin. Atawlu rasu barra. They are severely worn out, eh? They will be falling off in no time soon. And now we're going up to that Gardjola, guys. I'm really eager to see the view from up there and to share it with you. Let's go, let's go. Some nice flowers. Where are the bees? Where are the bees? you can see, guys, the views are amazing from here, no? Look, this is one of them. From the front here. And the street. This one. That used to be the old hospital. One over there. And here, the yacht marina. From yacht marina. And at the back, as you can see, as I told you, Fort Manuel, and behind that, Tinia Point there. My God, amazing. So guys, hope you enjoyed our garden today, and these beautiful bastions at the background, and this Gardjola behind us, and this beautiful Maltese island. As you can see, some buildings in this shot, guys. I hope it's a wide shot enough. We have some 200 years of history. So this Gardjola and our future up there. Hope you like this vlog. Hope you enjoyed the information I had for you. Hope you are liking our vlogs. I'm trying to vary our vlogs from adventure to history to information on flora and fauna, and giving you more of what I know and what I try to promote about our Malta. Keep on subscribing, press that like button, it's very important. Keep on watching our vlogs till the very end, because like today we saved the best for last. So until next time, guys, Saħħa Slim. On leaving these gardens, guys, I noticed this area here. I think there are huts abandoned. You can go in, as you can see. Abandoned huts, they are numbered 6, 5. Let's go in here. Nothing much, I think. What's this map here? Civil engineering. Church civil engineering. What's this here? Maybe they were used for some stores. Don't know. Nothing interesting. Much pipe. Maybe they were used for stores then. The fence, as you can see, let's put down. Let's see where this takes us. Okay, another beautiful area here. Nothing much over the bastions here. So that was another picture. I tell you, stay till the very end. Now you can go. Until next one, guys.